In this week's feature spotlight, I want to show you how to find absolutely anything inside your PT distinction in seconds. Obviously, navigating PT distinction is really easy, but a way to cut down any time to go from one place to the next and to find anything you want is to use the search at the top. So just press on the search at the top, type in whatever it is that you want. Let's say you want to find a client. Just type in their name, and up the client comes. If you press on the client from here, you'll go directly into their dashboard where you can do any work that you want from the client's dashboard. Now, let's say you want to find a group. Once again, type in the name of the group. And the group will come up. Press on it, and that takes you into the group dashboard where you can do any work for that particular group. Now let's say you want to find a specific item. We'll find a Parque so that you can give it to one of your clients. Just type in Parque. The Parque then comes up from your library and you can press on the three-dot menu next to it to preview it or to copy to a client or group and add it to their account if you wish to. Another example we can use is to find a client's program. Let's say you want to just see their program quickly and see the results that they've got. Well, just type in the program name. As it's a client's program that you're looking for, go to the toggle where it says library items only and turn it off, and that will bring up both your client's items and the items from your library. As you can see down the bottom, there is one for my client, Sarah example. So from here you could press on it to see a preview or press the three-dot menu to bring up the action menu again, where you can preview, you can edit it, you can see the results history, you can see your client's completion stats on this program, you can copy it to a client or group, create a template, or even delete it from here. As you can see, using the global search can take you anywhere really fast in the whole of your PT distinction setup. It makes navigation an absolute breeze, and this is available on any device you use. So you've got it on the desktop, you've got it on tablets, and this video has shown you how to use it on your mobile.